All right, check it out. This is the Ninja Flex. Ninja Flex Flame. And I don't see a price on it. This is what it looks like inside. Pull back. Check it out. All right, this is a cutting board. You get your burner thing here. This is weird, man. Gonna have to do some research on this. But anyway, it's got all this stuff. There's that. That's heavier than a son of a gun. But I'm looking to see what the price is. And down here is where you put your, propane. Let's see if they have a price on it here. I don't see it anywhere. Oh, here it is. It's called a Shark Ninja FlexFlame, right? Doesn't say Shark Ninja on there though, but I guess that's the price on it. So anyway, they got it right here at Costco. Check it out.